Hi there, this is your friend Brendra Dia. It's proud privilege for me to meet all of you early in the morning when the nature is smiling, the sun is shining, and everything is so bright. And I'm very much happy and my heart is filled with joys because the whole purpose of my life is to make millions more successful. When I talk successful means you should be having every blessings of the nature, mother on earth on your this planet earth. You should have a lot of money, a positive mental attitude, a very sound physical health, harmonious relations with entire humanity, and all the great success and glory, glamour, love, fame, fortune at your feet. Love, remember, very important. Love everybody. This is very important factor in life. And if you have a good girlfriend, love her very much. But never betray those girlfriends. This would be a permanent partner. One very interesting thing about the girls are that all the great people who really achieved great success in life, they were inspired by the women. They have such a tremendous power. They can energize you, they can enthusiase you, they can give you certain goals in life, and once you are not able to attain that goal, they give you supreme power, push and pull, and you become great success in life. Look at Abraham Lincoln, the President of America. He becomes so great because of his girlfriend. Napoleon the Great, who was always a conqueror and the most adventurous person ever born on the planet Earth. He had also a girlfriend. And once these people betray their girlfriends, the doomsday are also coming. They are miserable. So beloved children, this is my really sincere advice to you. If you are having some girlfriends, love her till the end, never betray her. Because the children, they do not know, they are not sustained relationship. Okay? So be very careful. Love is very important. He prayeth best who loveth best. All things both great and small. For the dear God who made us, He made and loved all. Love is very important. And as you are children, you know the power of love. Love can make you great. And see, a girlfriend will flock around you once you are best in the class. Once you are always securing highest marks. Once you are looking very handsome. Once your body is masculine like the film stars. Maybe Schwarzenegger or even Indian film stars. They are very handsome. Ram Charan Teja, look at that Ram Charan Teja. How strong and powerful he is. How good dance he is doing. That is the great success, and this is the richest wealth, is your physical fitness. A sound body is very, very important. And the sound body is the temple where the great brain exists. So now let us talk about your power of brain. Know thyself, friends, know thyself. You are blessed with a tremendous power of brain. All the great achievements, all the great success has been achieved on this planet Earth by using the power of the brain. Whatever the brain can conceive and believe, the brain can really achieve for you. You know that? This is the universal truth. The brain can really achieve for you. Now I request somebody to focus on me and take my camera also, so that you will be just knowing who is the person who is talking. Okay? Now I'm visible perfectly, all right?
Yes.
So beloved friends, I was talking about the power of your brain. You just believe in the power of your brain and always sincerely pray to God and say, "O divine providence, I ask not for more riches but for more wisdom to make the wider use of the intelligence which you bless us at the time of our birth in the form of mind to control and direct towards attaining great success in life." Okay, beta? So what I told you, success, then success is realizing your goal. To become great successful person, you should have 6 basic principles of success. These 6 basic principles of success is that you should have a burning desire to become something. And that will direct you towards a goal, a destination, a fixed purpose in life. So the desire is very important. All of you must be having desire to become great. And what is greatness? Greatness is recognizing the power of your brain. That you are blessed with the same power which Napoleon the Great has, which Alexander the Great has, which Einstein, Newton, and which all the great poets, dreamers, thinkers, writers, authors, they have that power of the brain. So if you are blessed with that power of the brain, you can use it and fix a very big goal never a small goal, because it is only limitation of your thinking power. Brain has no limitation. Brain can give you whatever you demand from it. And in that context, I will recite a very small poem for you. I bargained with life for a penny, and life would pay no more. However, I begged in the evening when I counted my scanty store. Life is just an employer. It gives you what you ask. But when you have set the ways, why you must bear the task? I worked for a menial hire, only to learn dismayed. Whatever ways I could have asked of life, life will have willingly paid. So I don't like to take your more time. This is only one message I want to convey to you, dear children, that you are blessed with the power of brain. That brain has such a great power. If you really believe in the power of your brain, if you have tremendous belief and faith in yourself, and also in the existence of the great God, you will become what you want to be. There is no doubt about it. Dream lofty dreams, and what you dream, so shall you become. So fix a very big goal in life. And once you have a big goal in life, then I was talking about desire. Then decide. Decide now. No procrastination. Tomorrow never comes. This moment is yours. This is the time. You have to arise awake and stop not till you are attaining your goal in life. Decision is very important. Decision needs courage. Sometimes very great courage. Because if you have big goal in life, you will not be getting it easily. You will be facing lot of problems, lot of difficulties, lot of hindrances, lot of obstacles. So just keep on changing different directions. So that difficulties you have to overcome. So you have to be courageous, because all the great success, what people achieved, that was the outcome of great sacrifice. Lot of difficulties will come, lot of hindrances will come, but still you will never surrender before these. So once you have decided, great people decide instantly, promptly, definitely, and then never change the decision. Because once you are facing difficulties, you are not getting success instantly, the general tendency is people become timid, coward, they give up, they surrender before difficulties. Brave never surrender. The brave people know only one thing: win or perish, victory or death, do or die, and that you are. My children, you are brave. You will never stop trying unless you attain your goal. Remember it, this is very important. Now set your goal, great goal. You want to be an IAS officer? It's very much possible. You want to be a great scientist and inventor? It is also very much possible. You will become what you desire to be, what you dream to be. There is no doubt about it. But you have to pay the price. There is no such reality as something for nothing. So the first point I told you, desire, you have to have a desire. If you don't have desire, what you will do? If you don't have goal, where you will go? Today your goal was to come to the nature, and you are enjoying, and you are meeting your best friend, Virendra Dear, your servant. I am the servant of mankind. My duty is to trigger the power of your brain. And once this giant brain is awakened, you will roar, and the world will listen to your sounds in the form of your achievements, in the form of your success. You will be known all over the world by using the power of your brain. And my service is just to switch on your button of the brain, which is so powerful. So you have desire, you have decided, then you have to have tremendous faith and belief. See, most of the people do not believe they are great. Today you start believing you are great, because you have the same brain power. You are born as a great human being. This is very rare. Thinking species, thinking creation of the Lord God. God made people just like himself. And when I'm talking about God, do you know what is God? You see the universe. It is well controlled, it is well ordered, there is no deviation. Everything is perfect. Anything can be perfect. Watch is perfect. Somebody made it. Somebody has intelligence. So that's why God is cosmic intelligence, infinite intelligence. It has control everything else. But if you do not remember your father, do you remember your dad now? No. Your mind is somewhere else, right? You are not remembering your girlfriend. So you are thinking about Virendra Dear. Similarly, if you do not think about God, how can you know about God? Example is that. Daily meditate and pray. Oh divine providence, you are there. Stimulate my intelligence. Fill my mind with novel thoughts and novel ideas so that I can really use my intelligence and become a great servant of mankind. You know what is servant of mankind? In the Bible you will see what Jesus Christ told, the greatest among ye shall be servant of mankind. And other people say he is the most successful person who has served the maximum number of people. Unless I serve you, what love you will have for me? Unless I serve you and try to make your life happy. Suppose these words are stimulating your intelligence. And today you have set a big goal, not a small goal. Suppose you want a car, somebody think about ordinary car, 800cc. And somebody can think Rolls Royce. Somebody can think about Porsche Cayenne. Somebody can think BMW X5. He will get it. Because you will never desire anything else unless you think you can get it. And until you believe you can get it. Let's come to the point. You have desire, you have decision, you have faith. Now you have to persist, sustained effort. Because usually you will not get it. So you have to continue your effort. Continue, never stop. Never quit, never give up. Okay? Because to attain that goal, you have to pay the price. And sometimes you will be tested. Several times you will be defeated. Several times you will have a lot of problems. Okay, friends? So once you are facing a lot of problems, never be, stopping, trying, rather becoming more intense and more active and more really committed and dedicated towards the attainment of your definite chief aim. Okay, friends? So then you have well-organized planning. You should have a great plan. Because unless you have plan, the various ways and means, how can really you be winning, So that is also very, very important. You have to have a well-organized planning. And then desire, decision, faith, persistence, mastermind alliance. This is very crucial. Like a guru like me, a guide like me, a servant like me, who has seen something in life, who has some experience in life. You come and tell, Virendra dear, how can I do that? They will guide you. Make some intelligent people your guru and guide. They know exactly how to reach certain goals in life. Because there are different areas. So you have to go to the right person who really knows about the subject, then they will help you. Okay, friends? Now you tell me, I just tell you, what is the most important thing you have got? Your power of brain. Tell. The power of brain. All of you say.
The power of brain.
Yes. Your brain can give you what you want. Tell.
The brain can give what you want.
Yes. So recognize the power of your brain. Tell.
Recognize the power.
Embrace it.
Embrace it.
And use it.
And use it.
And aim very high.
And very high.
And never quit.
And never quit.
And never give up.
And never give up.
Seek advice from the experts.
Seek advice from the experts.
They will make you very happy.
They will make us very happy.
And make a very sincere prayer every morning. With a lot of passion. With a lot of emotion.
With lot of emotion.
Prayer with faith is hard. Yes, if you don't have faith and belief, your prayer will never be hard. Means you are great. Say, I believe in myself.
I believe in myself.
I can do impossible.
I can do impossible.
Because God is with me.
Because God is
As my guide and guru.
as my God and Guru.
I am great.
I am great.
I have the power of the brain.
I have the power of
I have the power of the will.
I have the power of the will.
I have the power of the patience.
The power of the patience.
I have the power of the persistence.
And the power of the persistence.
I am the master of my fate.
I am the master of my faith.
And I am the captain of my soul.
And I am the captain of
Victory, victory, victory to us. Victory, victory, victory to us. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Ram.
Thank you.